Hello, welcome to Unit 3, 10050 Victoria Road. This 1,400 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher is a wonderful offering. Come on in and see. Hello, I'm Debbie Simmonds. I'm your host of Black Press Media's Real Estate TV. This beautiful rancher has many wonderful features. It has in-ground sprinkling, a beautiful private backyard, a nice great room open area, large kitchen island, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Notice this electronic patio cover. This is an amazing feature of this home. Fantastic location in Chemainus, close to all of the trails and everything, and yet a private location. If you'd like to view this beautiful home, please give me a call, Debbie Simmonds, Remax Ocean Point, 250-246-0708, debbiesimmons.com. Thanks so much.